Yeah, hi. Good evening to everybody. Yesterday we discussed synchronization block and synchronized method related thing we discussed, right? Today we need to discuss that what is the deadlock and how we can overcome the deadlock. Okay, and demon thread. Okay, what is the demon thread? And these things related thing we can discuss today. Okay, today is the last class of the multi-threading. Okay, tomorrow onwards we can discuss. It is chapter 10. That is the file handling and file reader, file writer, and serialization, deserialization. We can discuss tomorrow onwards. Okay. Today just we need to discuss only two topics. Okay, left two topics left today. So that's why I need to discuss today. That is the deadlock. What is the deadlock? First question. What is the deadlock? Deadlock. And how we can overcome? How we can overcome deadlock? Okay. Yeah. This thing. What is the deadlock means? When we execute multiple threads which are acting on same object, right? That is synchronized at the same time simultaneously, then there is another problem may occur, the deadlock occurs. Okay. Multiple threads is multiple threads executing or acting on the same object, that synchronized block or synchronized method, that simultaneously there is another problem has occurred, that is called deadlock. Deadlock is lock may occur one thread holding resource one. Okay, one thread holding thread one holding a resource one related thing, and thread two holding a resource two related. Okay, resource two. Here, thread one that resource one waiting for resource two released by the thread 2. At the same time, thread 2 is holding the resource 2 and waiting for the resource 1 released by the thread 1. So, in this case, thread are continuously waiting. No thread will execute. The situation is called deadlock. Deadlock. Okay. Here, the thread 1 has a resource 1, thread 2 has a resource 2, right? The thread 1 is holding resource 1 and thread 2 is holding resource 2. It is the T1 is waiting for release to R1 and T2 is released to R2 until unless they don't have they didn't release it. It is in the prolong is happened, that is called deadlock. Okay, that is called deadlock. The deadlock, to resolve a deadlock situation, there is a no any concept. Okay, there is no any special concept. Okay, to overcome those things, the Java programmer only to responsible to the proper logic, to write the proper logic to resolve the problem of deadlock. To write the proper logic to resolve the deadlock. Okay, to resolve the deadlock. And and it is it is how we can it is overcome what, overcome deadlock in what, deadlock in multi-threading. Okay. uh, Multi-threading, how we can overcome those things, how we can overcome the so many concept is there, how we can overcome means we have to write the avoid nested locks. Okay, first one, avoid nested lock, avoid nested lock. And what is the nested lock? The issue, it is the first of all issue. First one, it is the issue happen, the deadlock often when the thread acquires the multiple lock in the nested manner only. Okay, in the nested manner it will happen. The solution, the acquire the lock in the consistent order by using the whatever it is, like thread T1 and thread 2, T2, it is a nested locking is there, right? So acquiring the thread 1 to nested way, you can't decide, okay? Or nested way, if you implement a nested way, it can occur, okay? To implementation of nested way implementation, okay? And the other one is the use timeout lock. Use timeout lock. Okay? Timeout lock. Use timeout lock. What is that use timeout lock? Here, the use timeout lock means this is the timeout mechanism. Basically, I can say it is a timeout mechanism when attempting to acquire the lock. Okay, when attempting to acquire, you can mention like this way: lock. First of all, lock lock equal to new new reentrent, whatever it is, reentrent, new trend. It is the synchronization, new reentrent. Okay, reentrent is the reentrent mechanism is the one of the synchronization mechanism. Okay, and if block inside the if block, what will do? Inside the if block, you can say lock dot try lock, lock dot lock dot try lock. Okay, what happened, man? Lock dot try lock, and inside the try lock, you can mention uh, 10 milliseconds, and time unit is the seconds. Time unit, not millisecond. It is the time units. Start second. Okay, seconds, and you can perform the finally block or whatever it is. Here you need to try block. Okay, uh, try block inside, and also right here finally as well. Okay, what is the finally? The final block, whatever it is the occur the, how I can say, here final block always the execute whether it is the exception occurred or not. Okay, always it will execute. And here you can say lock dot unlock. I can say lock dot unlock. Okay, this mechanism to avoid the or else else, and this one it will the else block, it will acquire the actual lock. Okay, and another one, third one. What is the third one? Deadlock detection. Deadlock detection. Okay, this one also you can deadlock detection also. It is one of the mechanism to avoid the deadlock situation. Okay, what is the deadlock? This deadlock situation implements the mechanism to detect the deadlock at runtime and recover them as well. Okay, recover them as well by using the deadlock detection. For example, use the thread dump analyzer. Thread dump. Okay, that is the, how I can say, the tools like Java thread max bin to identify the deadlock threads. Okay, deadlock threads by using the hash tool, the thread mx bin max bin they has. Okay, by using that one also we can detect automatically. And another thing what, minimize lock scope, minimize lock scope. Hmm? And another thing, yeah, avoid holding and multiple locks. Okay, avoid the holding on multiple locks. Fifth one, and sixth one is avoid holding multiple locks. Okay, avoid holding multiple locks. And sixth one is there. Sixth one, what one? Use lock-free data structures. Okay, lock-free data structures. What is that? It is the concurrent hash map. Lock-free data structure is right. For example, lock-free, lock-free data structure. Okay, data structure. Example is what one? What is that? Example exp. Which one? Concurrent hash map. Hash map. Okay. This one and so many thing mechanism is there. Okay, few of them, like you can also implement a resource hierarchy and a high level synchronization tool, and apply the deadlock prevention algorithms as well. Okay, circular wait and hold and wait prevention. Okay, and these things, these are the techniques to avoid the deadlock situation. Okay, these are the techniques to avoid the deadlock situation. Okay, and what is the daemon thread? What is the daemon? Daemon, daemon thread. What is the daemon thread? The daemon thread is a low priority thread. Okay, it is not a high priority, it's a low priority thread that provides the support to user threads. It is supports as well as the user threads as well. Okay, it is a low thread, low priority thread, and it supports the user thread as well. The threads can be used like it is by default. It is a system defined as well. Okay, it is the by default. It is a system. Okay, it is the demand thread. It can, how I can say, it is the garbage collection thread is the one of the system generated demand thread. Okay, one example I can say is, what is the demand thread? Demand thread is nothing but garbage collection thread. Okay, it can also one of the system generated demand thread. Okay, that runs in the background. Okay, and when JVM founds the daemon threads, it terminates the thread and then shut down itself. Okay, it does not care the daemon thread whether it is running or not. Okay, when is the background, whatever it is, the user thread is there, up to user thread it is fine. It is don't have any user thread, automatically turn off the daemon thread. Automatically turn off the daemon thread. Hmm? Okay. Uh, Method, how we can say, what is the inter-thread communication? Do you know inter-thread communication? Inter-thread communication. Inter-thread communication. Inter-thread communication. Inter-thread communication is nothing but these are the wait. Okay, this is one method. Notify. Okay, notify. Notify all. Notify all. Yes, these are the three methods we can call. We can call inter-thread communication. Also is the inside the Java, inside the object class as well. Okay, it is the object of the string methods. Also it has. Okay, it can call string methods as well. Okay, notify, wait, notify all. These are called string methods as well, and these are called in the thread. We can call as the inter-thread communication purpose. We can use. Okay, inter-thread communication purpose use. Yeah, that's all about it. Before that, synchronization, synchronization, how I can say, uh, Java concurrent package as well. Okay, Java packages, Java concurrent package as well. Isn't it like executor? Okay, for example, executor, and so in the sub, it is the executor is the interface, right? Executor is the interface. Inside that, they have the classes executor, executor service, and scheduled executor service. Okay, inside that. Okay, executor, executor service, and executor, scheduled executor service. The executor is the basic interface of a running task, isn't it? Basic interface of the running task. Executor service is extends the executor, okay, with methods to manage the life cycle of the multi-threading. Okay, it is managed with multi-threading life cycle as well. Example shutdown, and scheduled executor service. It is also scheduling task with the delays or periodic executor. Okay, and also fork chain pool as well. Okay, and as well as lock and synchronization. Lock and synchronization. Second one is the lock and synchronization. Lock and synchronization. That is the reentrent lock and reentrent read write lock and sampled lock. These are the synchronization lock. Okay, lock and synchronization mechanism. It is more flexible to powerful locking mechanism than the synchronizer. This is the more powerful and locking mechanism than the synchronized lock. It is the more powerful than the synchronized, basically, I can say. Okay, and synchronizers. Synchronizers that are countdown latch and cyclic barrier and semaphore spacer. These are the synchronizer locks. The countdown latch is a wait until the give the count is reaches zero. Okay, countdown latch, wait until zero executors. Okay, and the cyclic barrier. The cyclic barrier is a synchronized thread at common barrier point, and also semaphores comes under the synchronizers. Okay, control access at a set of permits and face a flexible barrier supporting the failure. Okay, and then thread safe collection. Thread safe collections means concurrent hash map and copy on array list and copy concurrent linked queue. These are the thread safe collections. Thread safe. What is that? How many types is there? Thread safe collection. Concurrent hash map, copy and array list, and concurrent linked queue. Okay, and concurrent queues as well. Concurrent queues, array blocking queues, and linked blocking queues, and priority blocking queues. Okay, concurrent queues as well. And it is the purpose means it is handled the producer consumer scenario. It is handled producer consumer scenario. It will handle and atomic variables. One of that atomic variable like atomic integer, atomic long, atomic boolean, and atomic reference. These are the comes under the atomic variables and computable features. This is more one of the one of the best feature, one of the best features to implement the concurrent related thing. It is a simplifies the asynchronous programming. It is a simplifies the asynchronous programming. Okay, and yeah, benefits of that Java.util dot concurrent package. Benefits of Java dot. Okay, these are the main Java dot util dot concurrent packages. Okay, these are the main motto. Please, few of them you should remember. If you want to listen again, you can go the video and listen again and again. You will get that clarity on that subject. Okay, and yeah, what else I forget in multi-threading? Yeah. I didn't forget. I think so. It is. I given my best. Okay, I given my best. That's it. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like my content, you can subscribe my channel and like my channel, and press on the bell icon. We'll get that more notification when I updated in the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'm signing off today.